Does the thought of unexpected guests fill you with a flutter of panic? Don't worry, we've all been there. It's a common feeling, but I'm here to share that welcoming people into our homes doesn't have to be a stressful event. Even if a visit is sprung on you at the last minute, remember that your guests are coming to see you, not to judge the state of your home. Today, I'm going to share 5 instant cleaning fixes that will help you tidy up quickly, allowing you to spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying the company of your loved ones. These tips are about creating a welcoming and joyful atmosphere, because ultimately, that's what matters most. Remember, these are quick fixes, not a deep clean. We're simply tidying up, not aiming for perfection. So let's put on a smile, take a deep breath, and get started. Before we start, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode. Create calm, living room declutter. Let's begin in the living room, the heart of your home. Take a moment to look around. What do you see? Gather any items that don't belong in the living room. Maybe a stray coffee mug, a pile of mail, or children's toys. Don't worry about putting everything perfectly away right now. Simply place these items in a basket or a designated spot, like a spare room, for later sorting. Remember, we're creating a sense of calm and order, and a clutter-free surface goes a long way in achieving that. Sparkling surfaces. Next, we'll address those surfaces that often catch the eye. Grab a cleaning cloth and your favorite cleaning spray. I personally love a natural, essential oil-based cleaner for a fresh scent. Focus on the coffee table, side tables, and any visible counters in the living room and kitchen. A quick wipe down is all it takes to remove dust and smudges. As you clean, think about the joy these surfaces bring when they're clean and sparkling. They become a welcoming space for conversation, laughter, and shared moments of connection with your guests. Chapter 3. Now let's step into the bathroom, a space that should always feel fresh and inviting. Start by giving the sink and faucet a quick wipe down. A clean and sparkling sink makes a big difference. Next, ensure the toilet is clean. Don't forget to quickly wipe down the toilet seat and lid for a final touch. Finally, lay out a fresh hand towel. Choose one that sparks joy for you and your guests. A soft texture and a pleasing color can truly elevate this small but important detail. Chapter 4. Our next stop is those high-traffic areas prone to gathering dust and crumbs. The entryway and kitchen floor are common culprits. If you have time, a quick vacuum makes a world of difference. But even if time is short, a quick sweep will do the trick. As you vacuum or sweep, visualize yourself welcoming your guests into a clean and inviting space. This simple act of cleaning can be surprisingly meditative and grounding, helping you feel calmer and more prepared for your guests' arrival. Finally, let's add a touch of sensory delight with a pleasant scent. Our sense of smell is powerful and can instantly transform the atmosphere of a room. Light a scented candle or use a diffuser with your favorite essential oils. I find that citrus scents like lemon or grapefruit are particularly uplifting and create a sense of freshness. If you don't have candles or essential oils on hand, don't worry. Simply open a window and let in some fresh air. The influx of natural air can do wonders in making your home feel more welcoming. And there you have it. 5 quick and easy cleaning fixes that will transform your home into a welcoming haven for your guests, no matter how unexpected their arrival. Remember, the key is to focus on creating a sense of calm, order, and joy in your space. These tips are not about achieving perfection, but about making your home a reflection of your warmth and hospitality. Your guests are coming to spend time with you, and these small touches simply enhance that experience for everyone. So take a deep breath, embrace the joy of connecting with loved ones, and remember that a happy home is one that's filled with love and laughter, not stress and clutter. Leave us a comment below telling us about how you prepare for unannounced guests. Thanks for dropping in today, and we'll see you in the next episode.